Hi everyone, I'm going to explain how to fill this survey. The topic about this research is the digital health and the smart product service system. So right now I'm focused on criteria measuring digital health. Yeah, you have the description of each one here, over here. So you have the description here about what is the meaning for each criteria. Now, how are you going to fill this matrix? Well, you have to take, for example, in this case, this digital user identity. How is important to search and filter information? If you think is not important, you will going to put a 1. If it's very important, you are going to put 5, or everything between 1 or 5 according to perception. So for example, I think digital identity is very important for search and filter information, so I'm going to put a 5. The next one is how important is digital user identity to evaluate information. So I think it is 4, and so on. So in this column, I'm going to measure what is the effect of digital user identity. Now I just finished to fulfill this column. I will go to the next one, which is search and filter information. So I have to now I have to measure again I have to ask myself how important is search and filter information to digital user identity, right? So it will be this crossover here. So I think probably is a 3, so I'm going to fill in the same way. And so on. So you will do this column now, search and filter information for C3, search and filter information for C4, and so on. So at the end you have to fulfill the whole matrix. After you finish this criteria matrix, you have to go to the aspect matrix, and you have to do exactly the same, but now with the aspects. So we have digital health literacy, the intelligence capability, communication capability, environmental capability, and use scheme. So we have to do exactly the same. How important is digital health literacy to intelligence capability? How important is digital health literacy to communication capability? And so on. If you have any further question, please write me to my WhatsApp or to my Facebook. Thank you so much for your collaboration.